Welcome to the in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first you should go to the Settings app and scroll down with your finger to the Advanced section. Now just here you will see the gesture section, and just to activate the Quick Launch camera, tap once on the switcher, and as can you see right now that's activated, and by double click to the power key will launch our camera. And as can you see, that's really well. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.